So good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Yeah, good afternoon, Santanu.
Yes, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah,
How are you?
yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. Everything is going on very well. And sir, where are you from?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Yeah, I'm from West Bengal.
Okay.
And
So where do you live in West Bengal?
I belong to Hooghly district. Do you know about the Hooghly district?
Yes, I know. I know. Hooghly district.
But have you ever visited in West Bengal?
No, I have not visited in West Bengal about a Hooghly.
Oh, yes, yes. And sir, you are from Madhya Pradesh, and I don't know about yourself properly. Before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. First of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
Okay, why not? Yeah, so thank you for allowing me to introduce myself, Shantanu. And my name is Abhishek Pandey. And if I talk about where I am from, so I'm from Madhya Pradesh. And if I talk about my hometown city, so my hometown city is Satna, where I am born and brought up. And if I talk about my qualification, so recently I have completed my Master of Computer Application. And before that, I did BSc in a PCM subject. Uh, and if I talk about my other activities like hobbies, so my hobbies are watching cricket and playing cricket. And sometimes I am fond of listening music when I get a free time. So that's all a bit about myself. And thank you so much.
Yes, yes, it is a wonderful introduction from your side. And sir, you like playing cricket, you like watching cricket, and nowadays, do you play cricket?
Nowadays, I'm not playing match, and because when I was in college, so I used to play with my friend. But right now, my friends are working in different state and different city. So we don't get too much time to play cricket together.
Yes, yeah, I always like playing cricket and football, and every single day I used to play cricket and used to play football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Yeah, being a family member, I have a lot of work in my family, and I work in a hospital. That's why I have to do shifting duty in the hospital morning, evening, night. That's why I don't get free time for playing. That's why nowadays I don't play.
Okay, so yes, I also want to know about yourself. So if you want to introduce yourself, so
Yes,
please
yes,
share.
definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by profession, I am a working person. I work in a hospital as an assistant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
Oh, so you are a fan of football,
Yeah, I like.
football match.
Yes. I like playing football.
Have you met Leon Messi?
No. I did not go there.
Why?
Yeah, nowadays, uh, because I actually I don't have interest for watching.
Okay, so you are only interest of playing football.
Yeah, I like playing football. I like playing football, but I like watching cricket.
Okay.
Yes. Sir, the winter season is going on, and how is the weather over there in your state?
Weather is not a very cloudy right now, and I can say so. It is sunny right now,
Yes. And sir, how long have you been?
and you
How long have you been
and you
learning
can
this
see the.
language?
It's been a 2 year.
2 years.
Yeah.
Yes. And before
right now I'm not active in this application, and I'm busy. No, no. If you are busy with your work, so you don't get a time to improve and connect with other co-learner who are like a beginner. So sometimes I connect with a co-learner and I improve my communication skills.
yes, yes. And sir, you have been learning this language more than 2 years. Maybe you have a lot of experience about this language. And sir, what do you think? And for learning this language, what is the most important part for learning this language?
Okay, so uh, I think till I have realized. So, if you are learning this language, so first of all, you should listen more and more English content, and you should practice speaking.
Yes, you are right. I totally agree with you.
Speaking and, yes, and speaking and listening is a very important if you want to improve your communication and English language. So first of all, you should listen and speak your broken English. So you can speak with your broken English language with a co-learner, and listening. And listening is a essential part of speaking.
Yes, yes, yeah, I totally agree with you. Listening and speaking both are very important. Yeah, because always you have to think how did you learn your native language? Always by listening as by speaking. That's why listening and speaking both are very important.
Yes, yes.
And sir,
And what
nowadays,
about you?
yes, ask me.
How long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, I have been learning this language more than 1 year, maybe around 1 year and 6 months.
Okay. Good. Yes, and I have seen like your video or YouTube video on the group. So yeah, sometimes when I get a free time, so I click on your video and I watched your video.
Yes, yes. And sir, why did you think you have to learn this language? I mean, why are you learning this language? Is there any specific reason in your life for learning this language?
Yeah, I have a strong reason to learn this language, and because I want to go in a private sector like IT sector. So where we need this language, like if you want to describe your project and if you want to discuss any project with your colleagues. So English is a common language where you can communicate with your colleagues, your manager, your boss, because in IT companies, so most of the people are like like different countries and different state, so they don't know our native language like Hindi. So
Yeah,
that's why I need this English language. So that's why I'm learning.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, English is an international language as well as the communication language to communicate each other, to
Yes.
communicate other country of people. English is necessary. English is needful language. Right now you are from Madhya Pradesh, MP. You have a own native language, but I don't know your native language properly. But I am from West Bengal.
Yes.
Bengali is my mother tongue, but you don't know Bengali language properly. But after learning English, we are connecting each other. We are talking each other. That's why English is connecting language.
Yes. Yes.
That's,
And yeah, like in the world, so English is a common each other. And if you want to talk, like if you want to communicate with the other state person and others country person, so you can communicate with this language. But you cannot communicate with your native language like Hindi, Bengali, Spanish. So English is a common language.
yes. And sir, you have a few minutes ago, you have told me you have visited so many states in our country. Yeah, it is right.
What? Could you repeat again?
You have visited so many places, so many states in our country. Have you visited?
Not a couple of places. I have visited like a four state, UP and my state MP, and you like Delhi is just union territory, but I have visited there, and Maharashtra
Maharashtra.
and Gujarat.
Yes, yes. Yeah, maybe you have visited so many places, but I have never visited so many states in our country. I have visited only two states in our country. Number one is Odisha, number two is Jharkhand.
Okay. Number two is
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Oh. So how do you find the Jharkhand and Odisha?
Yeah, I Odisha few months ago I went to the Odisha. There is a famous temple Puri. Puri is the famous place, and there is a Jagannath temple.
Jagannath.
Yeah, there is a Jagannath temple is famous, and that's why I went there.
And what about Jharkhand?
Jharkhand is the another place. It is the border of our state around Purulia district, and at that time I went there.
Yes. And Jharkhand is also known as for its like minerals like coal.
Yes. Sir,
Yeah, and
you are from
I
what?
think do you know MS Dhoni?
Yeah, I know. MS Dhoni is the good
Yeah,
cricket player. Yeah, he's a cool captain.
MS Dhoni is from Jharkhand,
Yeah,
Ranchi.
and who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Rohit Sharma, and but right now he got a retirement from the cricket like T20 and Test. So right now my favorite cricketer is Abhishek Sharma.
Abhishek. Abhishek Sharma.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, but and sir, have you ever seen any live match on the ground, cricket match?
No, no,
Yes.
I have not seen any live match.
Yes, I have seen several times. I mean, maybe 6 or 7 times on the Eden Garden in Kolkata.
Okay. Have you ever met any cricketer? Have you ever met any cricketer
No, only
like
I saw
Babu
only on the
Gangu?
ground.
Dada is also from Kolkata.
Yeah, yeah. Dada is famous is cricketer in right now also in our state as well as also in India. And sir, what do you do in your free time right now?
Uh, when I get a free time, so I usually watch like movies and web series movies, and sometimes I watch like podcast video.
Podcast video. And you have been learning this language more than 2 years. And right now, by practicing, are you improving your English skill day by day?
Yes, I can say lifelong process. So we need to learn every day, and we need to improve day by day ourselves.
Yes. Sir, you have been learning this language more than 2 years. I have been learning this language more than 1 year. I know very well to learn this language. Always it will take time. It is not a piece of cake. It is not a cup of tea. And English is not my mother tongue. It is second language. That's why it will always take time. But I notice that many YouTuber they are always making the thumbnail. How will you learn this language? Just 15 days. How will you learn this language? Just 30 days. And sir, what do you think? Is it possible? Just 15 days and just 30 days you can learn this language very easily? Is there any process, shortcut process?
It's not possible for any beginner who are a beginner in this language. So they can't teach them in like 30 days and 15 days. So like if you know this language and if you know very well grammar and vocabulary, so you can be fluent in this language within 15 days, 13 days, 30 days, and but for a beginner, so it is not possible.
Yes, yes, I noticed that in our society, in our locality, they know very well English grammar. Yeah, they are good at in English grammar. They can read properly, they can write properly, but they can also understand properly. Yeah, but when it comes about speaking, at that time they get stuck. Yeah, and while speaking English, they always get stuck.
Uh, it's totally depend on our environment. Like if you are living in a that area where all the people are speaking English language, so you can learn this language without learning any grammar, without learning any vocabulary, because every day you are listening English and you are using this language. So I can say it's depend on the environment. If you are living in a that environment where all the people are speaking in a English language, so you can learn English without learning anything. And and the second thing is like if you are living in a that area where the environment is not properly where you can speak this language, and when you speak this language, so people are laughing at you. So
Yes.
that time you know grammar very well and you can understand English very well, but you can't speak because when you speak, so people are laughing at you. So that's why, and you feel shy and you feel embarrassed when people are laughing at you. So I can say it's totally depend on the environment. Like if you know the language, so you can't speak, and if you don't know the language, and but you are living in that area where all the people are speaking in English, so you can learn this language and you can speak fluently.
Yes, yes. Yeah, in my country, in my locality, there is no good English environment. Yeah, no one speak English at my house, no one speak English in my locality. Yeah, according to me, it is not a piece of cake. It will always take time. Yeah, and for learning this language, always you have to practice regular basis. Practice is the most important key, and how much you are practicing every single day, it is depend on how much time it will take. It will take time. Yeah.
Yes, it's a depend on our practice. Like if you practice every day, so you can fluent in this language. But if you are not practicing consistently, so you will start. And when you speak, so you will start in front of the person.
Yes, yes. And sir, what do you think? How?
Yes, Shantanu.
Yes.
Shantanu, my battery is about to die right now. My battery is running out.
All
So
right.
can I connect like any other time?
Yes, yes. All right, sir. Thank you for giving me valuable time. It was a nice conversation with you. You are also speaking English very well, and I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, sir.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Good. Good day.
Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.